Hello, I'm Benjamin Love, a Marine whose MOS was 2541 radio operator. So I know and understand the importance of communication. So if you're a veteran actually living in Texas and you're thinking about buying a home or maybe even buying land to build on later, there's a good chance you've heard about two different programs, the VA Home Loan and the Texas Veteran Land Board Loan. And a lot of people actually assume they're the same thing, but they're not. In fact, they actually serve very different purposes, and choosing the wrong one could seriously affect what you can buy, how much money you need up front, and even what kind of property you qualify for. So in this video, I'm going to break down what is a VA loan actually, what is the Texas Veteran Land Loan, and then also the key differences between the two of those so that you know to make the best decision for you, and then the eligibility requirements for each. And then most importantly, which one might actually be the best fit for you if you live here in Texas. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The VA loan is a home loan program backed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. Now, here's the important thing that you probably need to understand. The VA doesn't actually lend the money. Instead, they actually guarantee the loan, which allows private lenders like banks and mortgage companies to offer some really powerful benefits to veterans. So here's some key benefits. Zero down payment in most cases, right? 2, no monthly mortgage insurance. We're talking about hundreds of dollars in savings. Competitive interest rates. You're going to get sometimes better rates than what's out there normally. And then flexible credit guidelines. And those benefits are why the VA loan is considered one of the best mortgage programs in the country. But there are a couple key rules, right? Important VA loan rules to remember. The property must be your primary residence. The home has to pass a VA appraisal and property standards. You have to qualify for a certificate of eligibility. And here's something that surprises a lot of people. A VA loan usually cannot be used to buy raw land by itself. The VA loan is designed to help veterans buy a home they're going to live in. Now, you can buy land as part of a construction loan where you're building a house right away. But if your plan is just to buy acreage and hold it for a while, that's where the Texas Veteran Loan probably comes in handy. Texas actually has one of the best veteran land programs in the country. It's run by the Texas Veteran Land Board, which is part of the Texas General Land Office. And unlike the VA loan, this program is specifically designed to help veterans buy land in Texas. Some of the key features: financing for land only. You can get up to about a $200,000 land purchase. Minimum 1 acre required. The land has to be located in Texas. Now, this program is especially popular for veterans who want to buy acreage, possibly build later, start a homestead, or invest just in rural land, right? The requirements to qualify: you generally have to be 18 years old, you must be a Texas resident, and you have to have qualifying military service. And the purchased land has to meet the program rules. Now, the land itself has to meet a few conditions, and those are minimum 1 acre. You have to have legal access to a public road. It has to be in Texas, and it cannot be purely commercial land. So this program does fill a gap that VA loan doesn't cover. Now, let's talk about the 4 major differences between these two programs, because this is where most people get confused. What you can buy with the VA loan, it's designed for buying a home. The Texas Land Loan is designed for buying land. Down payment: VA loan, often 0% down. The Texas Land Loan is usually we're going to require a down payment. Property type: the VA loan, you must meet VA home standards. The Texas Land Loan, you must meet Texas land requirements. And 4, location rules: VA loans can be used anywhere in the United States. Texas Land Loan, that's right, you have to be right here in the heart of Texas. So which one is best for you? Let's dive into that. Here's what it really comes down to. What are you trying to accomplish? VA loans are usually best if you want to buy a house right now, or you want little to no down payment, or you want lower monthly payments, right? The Texas Land Loan is usually best if you want to buy land first, you want to build later, or you want rural property or acreage. And here's the interesting thing. A lot of veterans actually use both programs at different times. So for example, you might use the Texas land loan to buy acreage, then later build a home on that land using a VA construction loan. I mean, after all, you served our country proudly, so you do deserve options. So if you're a veteran living in Texas, here's your simple takeaway. If you're buying a home to live in today, the VA loan is usually going to be your best option. But if your dream is to actually own land first and build later, then the Texas Veteran Land Loan is an incredible program that most people don't even know exists. So if you're trying to figure out what option makes the most sense for your situation, feel free, reach out, comment below. I'd be happy to help you walk you through this process, right? And if this video helped you understand the difference between these two programs, can you do me a favor? Make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with another veteran who might need this same information. And remember, I'll see you in the next video. And at Vine and Branches Realty, we love God, we love people, we love real estate.